Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what is compound interest. Compound interest is simply earning interest on top of interest. Compound interest is the notion of earning interest on the money you had saved, plus all accrued interest. Compound interest can be a powerful tool for investors because it allows their money to grow faster over time. For example, if an investor invests $100 at a 10% annual interest rate with compound interest, the investment would grow to $11,739 after 50 years, assuming the interest is compounded annually. There are many ways to compound your money, depending on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Here are a few examples. You can deposit your money in savings account, minimum interest of 0.8% annually. Second option, you can invest into Singapore Saving Bond. For the past 1 year, the yield returns is around 2.92%. Third option, you can invest into S&P 500 Index Fund. The index has returned a historic annualized average return of around 11.88% since its 1957 inception through the end of 2021. Lastly, you can invest into some of the largest and most well-known companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet, Johnson & Johnson Visa, and much more. These companies operate in various sectors, including technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. The average year-to-date returns is minimum 20%. It is better to start early and let your money compound over time to gain huge returns. Thank you for watching. Hope you find this video enrichment and learn something from this video. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated for more videos.